The future of Zion Williamson's signature sneaker line remains unclear, but the Jordan Zion 4 continues to build momentum. Despite early career injuries that spark jokes about him having more shoes than games played, each release has strengthened the line's presence. The latest colorway makes a bold statement, featuring a black mesh and synthetic upper paired with vivid purple liners and tongues. A striking blue-to-green gradient midsole houses an air zoom unit for responsive cushioning, complemented by icy rubber outsoles. Glow-green heel tabs and insoles bearing Zion's personal logo add signature detailing. Performance features remain intact, including a responsive foam midsole, strong lockdown fit, and multi-directional traction, ideal for explosive players. While there's no official release date yet, this eye-catching Jordan Zion 4 is expected to launch on Nike.com in summer 2025.